When it comes to home improvement projects that deliver both immediate curb appeal and long-lasting value, upgrading your front door is one of the smartest investments you can make. Your entry door is more than just a point of entry. It plays a key role in security, energy efficiency, first impressions, and your home's overall market appeal. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to enhance the look and performance of your home, a quality front door upgrade offers a strong return on investment and a noticeable transformation. First impressions that increase market appeal. Real estate experts consistently emphasize the importance of a strong first impression, and your front door is at the center of it. A worn, faded, or outdated entryway can instantly make a home feel neglected. In contrast, a new front door instantly refreshes the facade, signals proper maintenance, and creates a welcoming aesthetic that buyers love. Choosing the right color, style, and material can dramatically enhance your home's architectural charm. Sleek modern doors with glass inserts appeal to contemporary tastes, while classic wood or wood-look designs suit traditional homes. No matter the design, an upgraded door effortlessly elevates curb appeal, boosting buyer interest and perceived property value. Improved energy efficiency and lower utility costs. Homeowners today care more about efficiency than ever. Upgrading to a well-insulated front door can significantly reduce air leaks, making your home more comfortable year-round. Energy-efficient doors provide stronger thermal protection, helping maintain indoor temperatures and easing the workload on your HVAC system. This improved efficiency often translates to reduced monthly utility bills, an attractive feature for potential buyers. Whether you choose fiberglass, steel, or a high-performance wood door, modern construction materials offer impressive insulation that older doors simply cannot match. Enhanced security and peace of mind. Your front door is a major component of your home's security. Outdated or weakened doors may not offer the durability needed to protect your household. A new, high-quality door built with reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and solid cores adds an extra layer of safety. These security upgrades don't just provide peace of mind, they're also valuable selling points. Buyers appreciate homes that already include updated safety features, saving them the time and cost of adding them later. Customization that reflects your personal style. One of the biggest advantages of upgrading your front door is the ability to personalize it to your tastes. From decorative glass to premium finishes to custom hardware, homeowners can tailor the design to match their lifestyle and aesthetic preferences. Do you want a grand entryway with side lights and transoms? Prefer a bold, eye-catching color? Interested in low-maintenance materials that stand up to harsh weather? Today's front door options allow you to create a look that's uniquely yours while still enhancing long-term value. Durability that pays off over time. Front doors endure constant exposure to the elements. Rain, sun, wind, and temperature changes can lead to cracking, warping, or fading, especially in older door models. Modern fiberglass and steel doors are designed to resist these challenges and remain beautiful for years. This longevity adds to your home's value by reducing the need for frequent maintenance or future replacement. A durable door not only performs better but continues to look great, preserving curb appeal over the long term. A high-return home improvement project. Compared to other remodeling projects, front door replacements consistently rank among the highest in return on investment. The combination of enhanced appearance, stronger security, greater energy savings, and improved durability makes this simple upgrade one of the most impactful changes you can make. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to enjoy a more stylish, secure, and efficient home, upgrading your front door delivers benefits you'll notice immediately and value for years to come.